everyone, this is Medium and Channel Bonnie Vent. Tonight might be very different. I'm really not sure what's going to happen, and maybe to give you a little backstory on what happens when you're a medium and channel, just about anything. And you can get surprised by requests from the other side. But they wanted also to take the opportunity to do some of the channeling as much as we can in this particular live format. Also, at the same time, I was receiving information from Michael Jackson, and if you know anything about my past history, you'll know that he came to me literally hours after his death and asked for assistance in what was going on and trying to calm him down. He was very excited, to say the least, taken by surprise. And so earlier today, a couple hours ago, he came through, which is why I'm wearing a sweater, because the energy in here is making me very, very cold. And so what he wanted to do was to make an attempt to come through and deliver a message also this evening. Now last week he popped in very briefly and said, oh hi, you know, it's really cool what you're doing, and then earlier this week he said, you know, would it be okay if I paid a visit? Hi Terrell, nice to see you. And so I try and honor these requests as much as I can, and they don't give me a whole lot of information ahead. It is supposed to be spontaneous. Hi Heather, nice to see you again. Hi Elijah. And so I really don't know exactly. Now he did tell me, this is Michael, did tell me that he wanted me to retrieve something that I received back in 2003, and it's considered to be a warrior goddess necklace, and at least when it was presented to me, that's what it symbolized. And I just want to show it to you, see if you can see it. And there's a red stone right there, and then a white diamond right there, but as you can see, it's in the shape of a dagger. So I think it has something to do with the message that he wants to attempt to deliver. And I emphasize the word attempt because it's in coordination with the connection, which is my higher level guidance. And so to make this happen, it takes a lot of process on the other side. For me, they just want me to get the heck out of my own way. Because this is a little nerve-wracking to go live and say, oh, surprise, to say the least. Anyway, if I sound like I don't know what I'm talking about, it's because I don't. I did not pre-plan this. And Michael did say, he's very playful, and he did say, you know, I would love to have a card pulled for me. And so I think I will start with that. And then the energy will start to present itself in what they want me to do next. So I'm just going to start with something simple that I know what I'm doing. So we're going to pull this card. Oh, he's also asking that it's not just for him. So he wanted to say it's for past, present, and future warriors. And that we should spend more time honoring these people as they truly put it all on the line on an ongoing basis every single day. So it's humbling to me because here I sit fearful because I don't know what's about to come. But I'm safe. So I have a great amount of respect for anyone who's served in the military, and also first responders as well, where they put their lives on the line. Yeah, it's a wonderful card. the Unity card. I think that's predominantly what this message is about. So basically I'm just asked to please step aside, and that there's a message that's going to be coming through. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Hello everyone, this is Michael. I wanted to take the opportunity to say to those in this group, in particular, because you have been very, very special to me. You are predominantly a group of artists and people that are in and around the entertainment industry and the creative types. And I hear your thoughts and prayers, and even more so most recently. And I wanted to take the opportunity to let you know that you are, in fact, receiving bits and pieces of information to incorporate into your creations. And we hope that you will be brave. The reason we asked her to bring her necklace and the sign of the warrior, as this is not the sit back and wait for things to happen time in history. This is a take action time, and I'm so happy for you that you are alive during this time and that I am at least able to communicate in this fashion for you. And it is not often that I get to come directly through. And my voice is a little different, and I have evolved to a great extent. I have a much higher level perspective now than I had before, but those of you who know me and know my work know that I was always incorporating messages, tones, sounds into the beat of the music. These sounds and tones were also resonant with the planet Earth and Gaia. Please be aware, if you are not already, that Gaia does have her own beat, and you can get in resonance with that beat. It will improve the quality of the work that you do. For those that are dancers, you know about being on point in a different way, being on your toes. And we ask you, please get on your feet, get out there and dance and sing and bring joy back into this planet. There is so much heaviness and negativity going on currently, but this is good news, as these things need to come to the surface to be cleared away and for another time. You, my friends, and the Unity card being so important to this message, you are the next wave of energy to be created. Please do not wait for any public officials or people that you feel are in management or in control, as you truly, in your own hands, in your own creativity, have the ability to put out on the planet at any time, 24/7, anything you find meaningful, anything you find important. You do not need anyone else. You can do this all on your own. And we show this channel as an example, a glowing example of being able to do exactly with one person and one camera and one internet connection, and to broadcast all over the world. Now, in my time, when I was young, that was not even possible. Please, please take advantage of the technology. Don't let the technology rule you. Spend so much time looking. Spend time doing. This is the key. And we even asked her to bring her keys to show you, which she will after we release out of this channel. Do not be sad for me, my friends and my loved ones, for I am part of this great unity. I was when I was down where you are, and I am even more so now, as I can influence people who are interested in tapping into that same energy that I was able to tap into. That did not come from me, as you have probably heard me say on many times. The information that I received that went into the music came from a higher level source, and it came in day and night, and I would have to dutifully write everything down so that I didn't forget, because everything that was given to me had its own weight and importance. Please take this seriously, my friends. You are the great creator beings. You have the power in your hands, regardless of where you are. If you're able to hear this message, then you are able to do your part and to get together on this new wave of positive energy. It's going to be a bit of a bumpy ride. Please make sure you take care of each other along the way. It's very, very important. I always said this, and please, please, please make sure you take care of the children. Please keep an eye on the children. Some are getting so lost. They're coming in with what you might call a different kind of wiring and a different kind of sensitivity, and they are 100% equipped for the next phase, but they tend to be at a loss for this particular time frame. As to the people that are channelers and mediums and people doing healing, you are very easily damaged and hurt. I was too. It's okay. Just remember that that's part of who you are, and to release that. Just release it. Tomorrow's always another day. You can always start again and choose differently. So we would like to close up this message. We hope that you found it uplifting, and please know that I am fine. Please let my family know that I am fine, and I appreciate their efforts on keeping my name and my legacy intact. And I will be doing my part in this as well, as I am very able to get information out. I'm sure there are many that are listening to this right now live as we broadcast this, who have had that type of contact with me or feel that they have. Please just go ahead and take it as the gift that it is designed to be, and take action. Take action in what you're receiving, and you will then have fulfilled all of my purpose, plus your own, plus many others. As we gather together, we can build things that are amazing, my friends. So I would like to release the channel back now, and thank you very much for your time and your attention in listening. And I'm very grateful to have had this opportunity. And I love you all. Okay, I'm back. Oh, that's such wonderful energy. And Michael mentioned the keys, and the keys are right here. And I keep these in the same place as I keep the warrior sword. Michael was very into these too, I think. Let me show you they're just little, but those are the keys that he was referring to. Oh, message received. Okay, I can read the chat now. I'm so sorry, it just went by like crazy. Yeah, see, Marta's saying she feels Michael Jackson's energy so close. I genuinely think that there are people in this chat room, and this one in particular, not just any random chat room, that have had contact with him. Elijah says, thank you, Michael. I found it extremely uplifting, and I will let them know. Yeah, please do get the word out, guys. It's not as dark as the media would have you believe. And Heather says, thank you, Michael. You've always been uplifting and inspiring, even on this earth. And Juanita says, thank you, MJ. Okay, so I think I have fulfilled my my purpose on getting that message out. Wow, it's amazing energy. So until we meet again, my friends, thank you very much for coming. I appreciate you all so much. Good night.